We are constantly asked how to create secure, fail-proof passwords. If your password is based on life events, kids, pets' names, mother's maiden name, it's time for a change. The new minimum password recommendation is 15 characters, using upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. To avoid having to remember all of your passwords, you can implement a password manager. That way, you only have to remember one secure password and the vault remembers the rest. So what are the tips to remember? Never reuse a password. If one password is compromised, you want to be assured your other accounts are still safe. Implement and use a password manager to protect your passwords without needing to remember multiple passwords for different platforms. Use multi-factor authentication as an additional safeguard in addition to your password. Safe passwords should never include your name, birth date, children or pets' names, or anything else that can easily be accessed on social media. With a password manager, use non-dictionary words or a combination of multiple dictionary words with 20+ characters in a sentence or phrase that only you will remember. Do not store any passwords in obvious places such as sticky notes, notebooks, etc. Contact us if you'd like further information about creating stronger passwords or implementing a password manager for your business. See you next time for another cyber safety tip.